I'm very busy with my exam, project. Look at that, my college assignment.
Oh my gosh.
It is very difficult for me to divide my time breaks and my study time. By the way, when of the time for study do you think?
For me, I think it's so great. Your schedule of studying can have you enough time to rest, get some sleep.
I was studied, but it's difficult for me because my lecture schedule is so very tight during the day, so I don't have any time to do other assignment for my daytime, and then I just have time breaks for night, so I do my homework like assignment in the night, so I don't have time to break.
Yana, I'm very soft, man. Hey, you saw Chandra. I'm very tired studying great to my opinion is, but can because his lecture was very. What do you think about it?
Oh, I agree with Chan. I feel it too. My schedule is extremely tight and I mistrust finding the right time to study.
And I think we should set our schedule well. Avoid during studying 10 p.m. because it's not good for our health.
Yeah, I agree with you because if our body is not healthy, we cannot do our daily activity well.
Yeah, that's right.
Why you look so serious? What are you telling about?
You know, I just asked them about when the time for study, but they have different opinion.
So guys, actually, every people have their own busy life. There are those who have study, who have to study during day and there are also those who at night. There is nothing
Also, for those who are busy during the day with their activities and study at night, should take a moment during the day to take a nap to get energy.
And those who usually study during the day should use the rest time well at night. Right, guys?
So guys, I have class right now, so I should go.
It's okay.